Hey man, son man, Vice of the Real Artist Progress, I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest, you see?
Yo. What is up, guys? The Records Gamer here with another reaction. Yes, today we are reacting with Deva Bratt. Actually, factually, with Letter from Hell. So we see the G put out a video upon him IG and I say, like him their work, big up the working class citizens and big up on yourself. Like the G their work and I say, yo, listen, no apology, alright, when we finish, studio me gone again. You see me? So the boss finish him shift, reach a studio. This is what we got, I believe. I'm gonna take out my glasses, you know, cause I'll be able to see another one, you know. So, you know, say music will over here, so depending on how this one go, Deva Bratt may have something to say at the end of that one I feel, bro. You see me? So let's jump in the one and hear what the G have to say. Actually. Let's go. Letter from Hell.
Actually.
Right, so wait, thumbnail. We see some lava over here, so, and we see the devil with the fork here, so, and we see a silhouette. Big word, no man in a blood class. Silhouette. We see silhouette right here, so. Conflict. Big up yourself. Crucial conflict. Let's go.
Crucial conflict. Yo, Kartel, I made this a lizard. You know you're a genius, Einstein, wizard. Actually, crucial conflict. Yo, Kartel, I made this a lizard. You know you're a genius, Einstein, wizard. Me know say you're cool like blizzard, but down a hell at the cheese bottom clocks, them I got dissolve. Me glad say you bust the case and it resolve. Me barefoot, them take with the sneakers, them when me did have. A Gaza, me say, bust it, squeeze triggers. Me they are still a bonus fifth, me and 2 killers. Letter from hell, letter from hell.
Pull up! Jamaica, yo! Yeah, pull up! Let's go! Let's go again!
Actually, crucial conflict. Yo, Kartel, I made this a lizard. You know you're a genius, Einstein, wizard. Me know say you're cool like blizzard, but down a hell at the cheese bottom clocks, them I got dissolve. Me glad say you bust the case and it resolve. Me barefoot, them take with the sneakers, them when me did have. A Gaza, me say, bust it, squeeze triggers. Me they are still a bonus fifth, me and 2 killers. Letter from hell, letter from hell. Letter from hell, letter from hell. Letter from hell, letter from hell. My mother did that show me. Letter from hell, letter from hell. Letter from hell.
You hear the devil say a while ago? Lizard to Kartel. Yo! What the fuck, dog? Yo, me not have nothing to say, bro. I swear.
Pull up! Yo!
Actually,
Me not have nothing to say.
crucial conflict. Yo, Kartel, I made this a lizard. You know you're a genius, Einstein, wizard. Me know say you're cool like blizzard, but down a hell at the cheese bottom clocks, them I got dissolve. Me glad say you bust the case and it resolve. Me barefoot, them take with the sneakers, them when me did have. A Gaza, me say, bust it, squeeze triggers. Me they are still a bonus fifth, me and 2 killers. Letter from hell, letter from hell. Letter from hell, letter from hell. Letter from hell, letter from hell. My mother did that show me, but me couldn't see the vision. Me no know if you do maths, me don't know the vision. You know man a yes man, badness religion. But me and none boss, me no make no decision. Stick a pint, thumb tack. Star man, you call my phone and say come chat. Me did tell us that the thing them a go run at the gate, so you turn back. What one? Me never know. Actually, crucial conflict.
Me have something bomber class say. What? Why don't I answer him? Why? Oh, God, this is it. Condolences to Lizard's family. Me feel I want your dog. I see your dog. I see. Yo. Shawn!
Yo, Kartel, I made this a lizard. You know you're a genius, Einstein wizard. Me know say you're cool like blizzard, but down a hell at the cheese bottom clocks, them I got diesel. Me glad say you bust the case and it resolve. Me barefoot, them take with the sneakers, them when me did have. A Gaza, me say, bust it, squeeze triggers. Me there still a bonus fifth, me and 2 killers. Letter from L, letter from L. Letter from L, letter from L.
Me I listen this and me feel cool like chilly like me don't know dog like me don't know dog. What the fuck this Deva Bratt actually
Letter from L, letter from L. Letter from L. My mother did a show me, but me couldn't see the vision. Me don't know if you do maths, me don't know the vision. You know man a yes man, badness religion. But me and a boss, me no make no decision.
Man say yo, you know man a yes man, me no make no decision. Yo, this deep, you fuck. This deep, bro. At this point, somebody from Gaza needs to address Deva Bratt. Somebody. Me don't care who, somebody needs to say something. Because the first time you talk a bag of things. Yo, continue.
You know man a yes man, badness religion. But me and a boss, me no make no decision. Stick a pint, thumb tack. Starma, you call my phone and say come chat. Me did tell you say the thing them a go run back. But as me reach at the gate, so you turn back. What one?
Shawn, you call the man phone and tell him if he come chat.
Decision. Stick a pint, thumb tack. Starma, you call my phone and say come chat. Me did tell you say the thing them a go run back. But as me reach at the gate, so you turn back. What one? Me never know. Me ain't go concern how my daughter grow. Me hear you the new name for loyalty. Me want know if I friends are for 4 is a show. Oh.
Me hear you the new name for loyalty. Me want know if I friends are for 4 or if is a show. Yo.
Jamaica's worst game.
Turn back. What one? Me never know. Me ain't go concern how my daughter grow. Me hear you the new name for loyalty. Me want know if I friends are for 4 is a show. Oh. You know man not bitter dog. Anything wrong no say me never jitter dog. Even though nobody they even get a button picture dog. Tell Sir P and Deva say no wait for no video call. Now why?
This is not a diss song, you know. This is a deep song. This is not a Vybz Kartel diss. This is not a Gaza diss. This is a Vybz Kartel deep song. This is a deep fucking song, bro. Yo!
You know man not bitter dog. Anything wrong no say me never jitter dog. Even though nobody they even get a button picture dog. Tell Sir P and Deva say no wait for no video call. Now why find out there? Letter from L. Letter from L.
So Sir P, aka little YouTuber, aka big informer. Him say no wait for no video call. Cause the Wi-Fi not down there, cause you know say
letter from L. Letter from L. Letter from L. Letter from L. Letter from L.
Yo, hear me I say, Deva Bratt. we know you are a very fucking talented artist. We been there. I say that in the first interview, in the first reaction. I mean, I'll say it again. When I said, bro, give me some song. Cause you see, you want the apology. Knowing the person who Kartel is the old person and the new person, knowing the person how him is, him not gonna get an apology, bro. So you hear me I say, give me some song, bro. Give me some song. Yeah, give me some song, bro. Cause them song where you are going, brother, them deep, them bad, them crazy. But it's just a phase. Them no last 2-3 years. They don't last 2-3 months in this state of dancehall right now. So give me some song, bro. You have the people them ears, them a listen. Now it's your time to step out back, bro, and start the thing again. Actually, factually, you see me? Yeah, dog. Now it's your time to start make some money from the music, bro. Cause you're bad. You're bad. You see me? Never, like me say, focus on some positive song, bro. Some bad man song, same way. And cause we know if you that type of artist, some bad song, bad blood clot song. Kartel na go give no public apology. Me sure of that. Me sure of that. You see me? Fucking hell. If somebody got answer from the Gaza, Shawn Storm, you need to answer, bro. Cause you get couple of them here. Another one here too. The first one, you make it slide, but the one here, you get couple of them in it. So you need to answer, bro. Yo, me feel cool. I listen to the fucking song, dog. I swear. Yo, you hear me say that?
Actually, crucial conflict.
Drop us up on the channel. Drop us up on the channel. What the under my nose? I'm out.
Hey man, Solomon Vice, the real artist progress. I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The man this and the bad this, you see?